Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Suleiman Hamid, and in this video we'll talk about for loops. Well, Python has two primitive loop commands, while loop and for loops. Well, in this video we'll talk about for loop. A for loop is used for iterating over a sequence that is either a list, a tuple, a dictionary, a set, or a string. With a for loop, we can execute a set of statements, one for each item in a list, tuple, string, dictionary, etc. So in this video, we will discuss for loops in detail. Now we will see how to use for loop with a list. We'll use the online compiler to print each fruit in a fruit list. First, we will create a fruit list. For this, we have to type fruits is equal to square bracket apple, banana, cherry, square bracket close. This creates a list which has three fruits, that is apple, banana, and cherry. To print each fruit in this list, we will type for x in fruits colon print x. After typing this, press the run command and see the output. When you will do it, you will see that apple, banana and cherry are printed as the output. You can add more fruits and check the output. This is how for loop can be used with list in Python. Now we will see how to use for loop with a string. Even strings are iterable objects. They contain a sequence of characters. We'll use the online compiler to loop through the letter in the word banana. For this, we will type for x in banana colon print x. After typing, press the run command and see the output. When you will do it, you will see that all the characters in the word banana is given as the output. Now for practice, you can use any word and loop through it. This is how for loop can be used with string in Python. Now we will see how to use break statement with for loop. With the break statement, we can stop the loop before it has looped through all the items. We'll use the online compiler to exit the loop when x is banana. For this, we'll create a fruit list by using the online compiler and type fruit is equal to square bracket open apple, banana, cherry bracket square bracket close. For x in fruits colon print x. If x is equal to banana, break. After typing, press the run command and see the output. When you will do it, you will see that apple and banana are given as the output. Cherry is not given as the output because we have used the break statement and used the condition x is equal to banana. Therefore, all the fruits after banana would not be given in the output. This is how break statement can be used with a for loop. Now we will use the for loop with continue statement. With the continue statement, we can stop the current iteration of the loop and continue with the next. We'll use the online compiler to print all the fruit names except banana. For this, we have to create a fruit list by using the online compiler and type fruits is equal to square bracket open apple, banana, cherry square bracket close. For x in fruits colon if x is equal to banana colon press enter. Continue. Press enter and indent it with for loop to type print x. After typing, press the run command and see the output. When you will do it, you will see that apple and cherry are given as the output. Banana is not given as the output because we have used continue statement and used the condition x is equal to banana. Therefore, all the fruits except banana would be given in the output. This is how continuous statement can be used with a for loop. Remember, whenever you are using for loops and if statement, don't forget to indent it properly. Now we will see how to use for loop with the range function. To loop through a set of code a specified number of times, we can use the range function. The range function returns a sequence of number starting from 0 by default and increment by 1 by default and end at a specified number. We will use the online compiler to print numbers from 0 to 5. We'll type for x in range 6 colon print x. After typing, press the run command and see the output. When you will do it, you will see that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are printed. The start value is 0 by default and it increments the value by 1, which is also by default, and the loop will run 6 times. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are given as the output. Now we will see how to use for loop with the range function using start parameter. The range function defaults to 0 as starting value. However, it is possible to specify the starting value by adding a parameter. For example, range 2, 6, which means values from 2 to 6 but not including 6. We'll use the online compiler to print numbers from 2 to 5. We'll type for x in range 2, 6 semicolon print x. After typing, press the run command and see the output. When you will do it, you will see that 2, 3, 4 and 5 are printed. The start value is 2 because you specified the start parameter and increment the value by 1, which is by default, and the loop will run till 6 but not including 6, that is 2, 3, 4 and 5 are given as the output. Now we will see how to use for loop with the range function using start parameter and increment parameter. The range function defaults to increment the sequence by 1. However, it is possible to specify the increment value by adding a third parameter. For example, range 233 semicolon. We'll use the online compiler to print numbers from 2 to 30, increment the sequence with 3, default is 1. So we'll type for x in range 2, 30, 3 semicolon print x. After typing, press the run command and see the output. When you will do it, you will see that 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17, 20, 23, 26 and 29 are printed. The start value is 2 because you specified the start parameter and an increment by value by 3 which we have specified, and the loop will run till 30 but not including 30, that is 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17, 20, 23, 26, 29 are given as the output. This is the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed this channel, then do so by clicking the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get notification of the latest videos uploaded on our channel. Don't forget to comment, like and share our video. We'll meet again with a new video. Thanks for watching. Take care and Allah Hafiz.